Hello and welcome back. It is time for your answers. It is time for your answers to today's puzzle and also for the moment you really are waiting for, which is the answer to today's riddle. So let's go back and let's recap on what we have on the board. We have got 3 sets of scales. On each one we've got 2 plates and they are equal. They are balanced. The bottom right hand side is currently empty. But to make it balance, you are going to put in the letter a certain number of times. The question I asked you was how many times would you need to put the letter A in, or how many A's would you need to make the bottom scales balance? Now let's have a closer look, before I give you the answer, let's have a closer look at the middle set of scales. Because the middle set of scales tell me that the letter B balances if you place 2 letter A's. So when I know that I have a B in my bottom set of scales, I know to balance that B would need 2 letter A's. However, my biggest problem now is, how do I also balance the letter C? Because at no point here does the letter C appear in the scales with the letter A. So we're going to have to go back up to the very top and we're going to have to say, well, 2 of our C's balance when we put them with 4 B's. So if I only had 1 C, how many B's would I need? 2 C's will balance with 4 B's. So 1 letter C on its own would only require 2 letter B's. So we can remove, while we're playing, to show that the letter C will balance with 2 letter B's. Now I told you a moment ago that the letter B will balance with 2 letter A's. So each one of these B's up here will balance with 2 letter A's. So I can replace each B with 2 A's. Now I have the letter C balances with 4 letter A's. Down here I have my letter C. I've already balanced the B with 2 A's, but I have to balance the C, as we've found out at the top, with 4 A's. Which means, in order to make my final set of scales balance, I will need to place 6 A's in the right hand side, and that will then balance with the B and the C combined. Okay? And there we have our answer to the puzzle. So that brings us on to today's riddle and the answer. And I said to you, how can the number 4 be half of 5? Well, I'm actually going to show you this one on the board. Because I'm going to say to you, there's 4 and there's 5. How can 4 be half of 5? Well, the simple answer is we have to show the numbers 4 and the numbers 5 in a different way. Okay? Very simple. So I'm going to show my 5 in words rather than in numbers. And I'm going to show my number 4 in Roman numerals. So the question was, the riddle was, how can 4 be half of 5? Well, here's 4, and 4 makes up half of the letters in the number 5. So in that case, 4 is in fact half of 5. But don't go telling too many people because it will confuse them. but you and I know that 4 is half of 5. Okay, so that is our answers for today. We have got one more day left. Tomorrow is Friday. We will be back once again with a puzzle and a riddle, and we look forward to seeing you.